mara ngiyancanywa nini yazi mara ningenza niye mara ningenza akithibilinketsa hello lava tivakatego akithibilinketsa hello ne my incredible akithibilinketsa mina ngiyagcwala ngawe mina ngiyagcwala ngawe mina ngiyagcwala
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend again Mporo after he was seen jaiva mutringo o esondweni aqula a rap akula malanga hlala ti trend langa loko nje Mporo hlala rap esondweni aqula yabona shaya titayela nathi lesingadijwayele. So people are saying ukuthi hey bani balapha esondweni la Mporo shem, they are always entertained. It's never a dull moment nje lapha kuleli sondo. Some were saying ukuthi labantu laba attenda leli sondo leliyana ngazi ukuthi naba bathathi kahle la tinhloko, because how can you follow umuntu lufana naMporo uthi mfundisi wakho? Ukhona video yakhe lebeyitrenda not so long ago aqobisa umuntu I think ngisawude ebusweni akathi umthelana ngemandoro ini athi mawuqeda lapho ngilungisele 3000. So kumthela ngalamanda ngiqobisela ngalusawude laphana kucosta 3000 kulela sondo la Mporo, and people were saying akanyela never. So kubuhlungu nje kubona ukuthi people are spending so much money. Uthola usinayelo makelo yenkosi yami leyo mali leyo akanayo endlini elikati laletiko, but uyamkhipha 3KO amnike Mporo because uyathemba ukuthi Mporo nguye umuntu atomngenisa ezulwini. Hey kubuhlungu shem. It's true when they say bantu bayafa ngokuswela lati and baluswela lwati ngempela, because why? Ngisho Mporo aboshiwe bayokhala bame court bakhale ngaphandle baze abantu abadala bathi ngamane kuboshwe bona kukhishwe Mporo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.